This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, October the 11th, 2011. Let's take a look at this satellite image from last evening. You see a storm system moving out of the northern plains into Canada with a cold front extending through the state, producing a few widely scattered showers. A storm system off the southeastern coast producing some showers and thunderstorms there, and a storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight. Fairly quiet across the country. A few wind advisories over the Carolinas. A flood watch over southern Georgia. Otherwise, it was fairly quiet. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock shows rainfall amounts anywhere from 1/10 of an inch over the western counties to upwards of 3/4 of an inch over the eastern counties, mainly today and tomorrow. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a trough over the plain states moving into the area with southwesterly winds aloft. A ridge developing over off the southern California coast. With that, front will be easing through the eastern counties of the state and dissolving with some widely scattered showers, about 20 to 30% chance, with highs lower than today, highs in the 60s west to mid-70s south and east. Wednesday, chances of rain increase with another frontal system. Highs will be lower due to the clouds and rain, highs in the 60s to near 70, with rainfall about 40 to 60% chance. Thursday, that moves off, some isolated showers early in the morning across the northeastern counties, otherwise decreasing clouds and highs in the 60s to near 70, with mostly sunny skies in the later afternoon hours. Friday, that storm is off to our east, with a weak disturbance moving into the Pacific Northwest and Northern Rockies. Otherwise, here will be sunshine in the 60s. Saturday, that disturbance moves into the plain states, but most of the moisture will be over the Canadian or U.S.-Canadian border. Here, highs near 70. Sunday, that storm moves off. High pressure moves in. Temperatures about the same, 60s to maybe about 70, with partly to mostly sunny skies. We head into Monday evening. New storm system moves in. Some showers, maybe even an isolated clap of thunder is possible, with highs in the 60s to near 70 once more. Week from today, on the 18th, trough over the western Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley. Ridge propping up over the western states. With this flow, the 540 line dives all the way down to Kansas and northern Missouri, and with moisture, that could mean maybe a possibility of a few flakes of snow. Otherwise, we head into Saturday, the 22nd, pretty much a west-east flow across the country with a bit of a dip over the eastern half of the country at the surface. Fairly dry across the country, a new storm moving into the Pacific Northwest, and some showers along the Gulf Coast region. And at the end of the forecast on October the 26th, trough over the Pacific Northwest with a ridge over the Ohio Valley down into the south, with a southwesterly wind aloft. That could bring a new storm system moving in out of the Rockies, possible tropical system out in the Atlantic, and a new storm moving into the Pacific Northwest. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.